Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are doing an Easter pastel vibe type of look. I'm super excited. I haven't played with pastel eyeshadows in a hot minute, so this is going to be fun. This is a fun video because I'll be doing this as a collab as well. So I do apologize for my absence here on YouTube. I just haven't been feeling the energy, the inspiration, you know, and I just had to kind of have a self-realization, self-care type of feel, type of vibe. So I took some time off of YouTube and just tried to focus on myself. I was a little bit more active on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there, make sure you are, because I do post a lot on there as well. And I just started TikTok. Yeah, that's addicting. So I'm collabing with some beautiful ladies here on YouTube, and let's dive in. So if you want to see what kind of palette, what kind of look, the steps, let's just play with some makeup and let's get started. Collab with some beautiful ladies that are here on YouTube. I talk with them on YouTube, on Instagram, and also on the side in life. They're amazing. They're just amazing ladies. I can't say enough about them. We have Arielle from Always Arielle. We have Debbie. We have Anya from Pink Sweets. We have Jennifer from Amethyst Winters, and we also have Nona from my so-called life at 1977. So all of us, including myself, are here to show you guys an Easter look. I have linked all their YouTube channels and their videos down in the description box, so please take a moment and check out this collab. I'm, again, very, very excited. If you can't tell by my energy, I'm excited, and I just had pancakes, so I'm super happy on top of being excited. This video is posting on the 7th, which, if you guys don't know, the 7th is Travis and I's wedding anniversary. So today is our anniversary, and we will be beginning our morning with watching this collab. So Travis, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for marrying me. Thank you for giving me all this love and joy, and we're about to be parents, first time parents, and I can't wait. So I love you so much, honey. You are my best friend. You are my rock. You are my partner in crime, my other half. I couldn't be blessed more with you. Like, God just knew the right person to put in my life, and it's definitely you. So I am so blessed by you. So with that, let's jump into the look. So for this video, since we're doing pastel colors, I had to look into my collection and see if I had pastel colors because I don't use them a lot. To be honest, I don't. I feel like they don't perform the same on deeper skin tone like they do on more pale, lighter skin tone, so I just don't gravitate towards them. But we've got the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I pulled this out because this is just one of my bigger, I'm trying to open it and still look cool on camera. This is one of my bigger palettes that has enough pastels to hit. So yeah, we're going to use this, and I haven't used this in a hot minute because I do find I struggle a lot with the lighter shades. But to counteract that, I will be using a white base, and hopefully everything works out well. Again, this is an Easter look, a collaboration, so I really hope you enjoy. Let's stop the ranting, take a breath, zoom in, and let's do an Easter look. So to prime my eyes for this pastel Easter look, I'll be using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, and this is their white base, along with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush in number 18 to just spread this around. The first color out of the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette is called Bubblegum. It's this beautiful light pink, and to apply that, I'll be using the Morphe M577 brush, and I want to pack this on in my inner corner of my eye and blend it upwards. So the next shade I'll be using is called Brain Freeze, and I'll be doing the same thing, stippling on this pastel blue right next to the pink. And what I'm also doing is making sure that I'm just barely overlapping the shades, because I want to make sure that there's a blend in between each shade that I apply. Okay, going back in with another color switch moment with the same brush. And the next color I'll be dipping into is called Gumdrop. And again, I want to make sure that I'm overlapping Gumdrop with that blue and stippling it on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is using the Sigma Blending E25 brush. I'm going over each of the colors and I just wanna make sure that the edges are blended out. So I'm just diving into each individual shade, applying it and blending it out as much as I can. Okay, and next we're going to add some white liner to this look, and we're going to be using the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade White. And just to amplify this look a little bit more, I'll be using some glitters. So two here that have a pink and a light purple. These are from Spooky Babe Cosmetics and they're the glitter gels. And then I also have a really light blue from Queen Bee Cosmetics. So I'll be using the three glitters to add on top of the eyeshadow just to give it another level of something else, you know? Okay, so to finish off this look, I'll be adding some lashes from Twister Cosmetics. These are called Lucky. Okay, so here we are, and we have completed the look. I love it. I love the pastels. Definitely had to use a white base to just build up this pigmentation, but I'm glad that I did. And for the lips, I wanted to go a little bit more out there, a little bit more crazy. You guys know, my usual. So I went ahead and used the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Diamond, along with a Stila lip gloss. This is the Beauty Boss lip gloss in Pink Slip. So I added these two together and I am here for this Easter look. I did some Lele Posh highlighter in Kenzie on the cheeks, and that is it. So guys, please don't forget to go check out all the lovely ladies in this collaboration. Again, everything about them, YouTube video link down below in the description. I've left everything I used on my face down below. So with that being said, I am all done. I'm going to head off camera, take some pictures. Catch me on Instagram. Catch me. I will post this look on Instagram if you want even more in-depth information. But that is all for this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.